so today I have 10 days of growth. Drew this thing out to compare it to the video I did, I don't know, months and months ago, 10-day growth with a Merkur 34C with a feather blade. Today I'm going to be using the Rockwell 6C with the number 4 plate with a feather blade. Don Marco by Razor Rock. I've got some water blooming in that puck. Some water on my face, and I'm going to start hydrating my face. There's a lot there. Wow. Okay. So now that I got that out of the way, I'm using my Simpson synthetic T3 knot. Love this knot. And I'm just going to go right into my puck. And I'm going to do a face lather today. That should be enough. So big things happening here in Canton, Ohio. We have the Football Hall of Fame going on this week, and man, is there a ton of stuff around here to do. A ton of people come in. We actually have a big block party on my street. Wow, it's pretty huge, so everybody has a party. So yeah, it's going to be drinking going on, which is, hey, okay with me. All right, so I know this Rockwell 6C isn't going to have a hard time going through this, especially with a feather blade. I did bump it up to the 4 plate just because there's so much there. I mean, you can see how much growth is there. I mean, the soap, there's actually peaks coming off my beard. It might hurt a little bit. No, it won't hurt. If I was to use a disposable razor right now, man, or like a Gillette Fusion, wow. I mean, this would be total skin irritation for me. And with the Rockwell 6C, not going to be a problem. So let's go in for the first pass. I'm going to go with the growth. Wow, just right through it, no problem. Beautiful. No tugging whatsoever. I love these feather blades. Okay. God, isn't that great? I love it when a razor doesn't tug on my skin. That's the huge advantage for me with this razor. I mean, 10 days growth and that just went right through it. All right, let me give this a rinse. Okay, first pass was good. You can see right here, I missed it. Driver error, totally missed that strip on my face. But I have to say, I think I'm gonna be able to get this shave done in 2 passes. I'm gonna go across the grain this time. No problem for this Rockwell. Wow, awesome. Actually, let me go against the grain. Lovely. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like the content I'm putting out, please don't forget to subscribe. Man, that is something else. What a great shaver this is. Okay, so BBS up top, can you believe that? Just 2 passes. I got a little bit here, a little bit there, and a little bit down there. You know what? I don't plan on shaving for the rest of the weekend, so I'm gonna hit that spot and just do some touch up here on my neck. And I'm just gonna go against the grain again. Probably could have bumped this up to a higher plate, but you know, I didn't. Yeah, very little it's taking off. Gonna go over this with an alum block. Little tingling here. A little bit here. Nothing lower. I mean, that's amazing. 10 days of growth, 2 passes with, you know, touch up on my neck because, you know, it's my sensitive area, so I don't go at it too hard or too aggressive. But wow, isn't it amazing? I should have taken a picture of my sink. Holy shit, there was so much hair in there. Unbelievable. Yeah, what a great shave. Go in with some Nivea. Okay. Wow, what a great shave, guys. I mean, look at this. That's glass. Great shave on the neck. I mean, what else can you ask for? No skin irritation, 2 passes. Come on, Rockwell 6C. Lovely shave. So what do you guys think? 10 days growth? Do you guys ever let your beard grow out that much? I did. I just wanted to see how well it would do, and I knew it wasn't going to have a problem, but I wasn't thinking that it would get it done in 2 passes. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments below. All right, thank you so much. You guys have a great weekend.